Hello guys, welcome to Unreal Engine. Today we are learn how to make jiggle physics of your character. You can see we have two assistant here. They are dance a performance, and you can see the differences on character have no physics and on character have some physics. You can see, and this is great. So let's begin. Okay, so first of all, you can see this is our character. We select our jolly character. This is a Genesis 9 character. Uh, for the dash, if you using the dash Genesis 9 model like dash character in your Unreal Engine project, you don't need to add any kind of bone because in dash model there already have a chest bone and others bone, importance bone too. So we don't need any kind of bone because we are using the test model, Genesis 9 model. For the demonstration, I make a animation graph here. In the animation graph, you can see in state machine, there is entry. We just select a normal animation. Okay, so for the demonstration, and we select a state here and we name it dance. It we select jolly dance here and compile it, and you can see this is a dancing animation. We are just testing this animation. If you don't know how to make a total playable animation blueprint for your Unreal Engine character, you can watch my previous video. I have two or three video about it. Okay, so here now you can see we have a animation, a movement of our character. You can see our character movement here, and you can notice it. Our character don't have any kind of physics like just physics here. So we are using the physics now. This is easy, pretty easy. So let's begin. Okay. So first of all, we have to go our animation blueprint here. So here we are just adding a node called screen controller. You can see this is the node here, and we just connect the wire here, and this will make uh, automatically two node here. You can see local to component, component to local, and we make it two. Okay, because we have two bone here. So we are just control D. You can see we have two node here. Okay, so now we have to see what is the bone name of our character. So we are going to the skeleton here, and you can see we need to search for this. If you want to see your character bone, you need to go to the I button here and go to the bone and select all, and you can see we have the all bone appear here, and this is the bone we need. This is called our pectoral. Okay, so we are just copy the bone name here, and we don't need it now. Just select it only and go to our animation. Go back to our animation blueprint here, and selecting the spring bone controller here. We go to the details here, and you can see there is a spin bone option here. So we are just search our bone name here, and this is the R pectoral, and also we need the left on. Okay, so we just search again. This is the pro technique. Okay guys. Okay, so this is the L pectoral. So that's work, but uh, we have to make the value, right value for the character. You can see our bone physics is so bouncy, so we have to make it cool. Okay, so now we are just selecting two things here, and there is an option called sharpness. It will be 50. We make it 200, and for the dumping here we make it 10. Okay, and this is the axis, which axis you need to spring. So I just need the x and y axis. You can choose your own. Okay, and also we are go to the uh, alpha scale cam. We are just make it 0.5. Okay, that's it. So now let's see. Now it's look like perfect. So let's test it in the open world. So here we are just simulate our animation here, and you can see our body physics work, but this is not the natural, so we make it natural. Okay, so we are head back to our animation blueprint here again, and select the both things, and we just make it 100, compile it. Okay, and test again. And we can see we have need more customization. If we select the jet translate here and compile. Now let's see. Now you can see this is perfect, and it's look natural and funny. So this is for the testing purpose video. uh, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, because I need all of your support. Thank you very much.